Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use chocolate transfer sheets. I'm going to show you a very easy way of using them. So chocolate transfer sheets is basically a piece of acetate that's got a pattern on it, and that pattern will go on your chocolate. So you can get lots of different designs from your cake decorating shop, or if you're from Australia, Spotlight has a huge range in the chocolate transfer sheets as well. So once you got your chocolate transfer sheet, so I've got these ones here which are quite old. As you can see, my damask ones are very faded, but I'm just going to use this today because it's just a sample. So you're going to melt your chocolate in the microwave. So I'm just using some Nestle melts, and you're going to melt it. You can colour your chocolate at this stage if you want to, but I'm not going to colour it today. So make sure you got your transfer sheet on the rough side up. So just touch it gently with your finger and just make sure that you're pouring the chocolate, because with the chocolate transfer sheets there's two sides. One, you'll have the plastic back, and then one which has got the pattern on it, which is a bit rough because you can feel the actual pattern. That's the side you want to pour your chocolate on, because obviously you want that pattern to stick onto your chocolate. So as you can see, all I'm doing is just pouring on some chocolate and just making a nice thin coating. You can have it thicker if you like, but I'm just going to do a nice thin coating. I find that they're much more neater when they're thin. So all you're doing is you're gently smoothing off some chocolate. Touch the chocolate. When you no longer can feel any chocolate on your fingers, it's firm enough to start using your cookie cutters. Now you can use any cookie cutter that you want here, and all you're going to do is gently press the cookie cutter, but make sure it goes right in the chocolate, because if it's cut nice and firmly, then they'll be very easy to pop out later. So as you can see, I've just found all a range of different cookie cutters that I had. Cookie cutters you can purchase off eBay. You can purchase them from most, here in Australia we call them $2 up shops, and but everywhere's got cookie cutters. So just find whichever shapes that you want, and you're just going to make sure you press them nice and firmly on that chocolate. And then once you've I'm just going to cover up my whole entire piece, and just going around all the corners and making sure I've got as many shapes as I can. And then once you've done the whole entire sheet, you're going to gently get a spatula, and you're going to pop it in the fridge, the sheet, for about 10 minutes. So as you can see, I'm just taking off all of them. Now getting a spatula, gently removing it, releasing it from the table, and I'm going to pop that in the fridge for about 10 minutes to firm up. After 10 minutes, the plastic will just peel off nice and easily from the back, and all those pieces that you've done, if you had pressed it nice and firmly, they should just pop out nice and easily. You might just have to press it gently just to help them release. And then all those shapes, you've got them, and you can now stick these on cupcakes, on cheesecakes, on any dessert. Just to finish it off, just stick one on, and you've got a delicious chocolate pattern easy to make desserts. And you can make these weeks in advance and just keep them in an airtight container. So these are just going to go in an airtight container. And see the scraps here, you can also use these as well. Like just cut some pieces and just you can stick them on. I wouldn't throw that away, they're still beautiful. If you want to cut them to a certain strip, just use a ruler, an X-Acto knife or a sharp knife, and just cut them through. And then this is how you do the strip. So you're going to spread the chocolate just like before. Again, you're just spreading it nice and smooth. And then what you want to do is, once you've spread it really smooth, you're going to get a sharp knife, or I'm using just a little craft knife here. Just release them and then put them on a clean place, otherwise all that chocolate's going to stick on it, and this will give you strips. So you can cut these to any size or length that you want, if you want them straight. Now I'm going to finish off this one with the same way we did the other ones, and then I'll come back to show you all of them when they're done. So that was how to make the chocolate decorations using chocolate transfer sheets. Now chocolate transfer sheets are very versatile. You can even, at that stage when they're not tacky anymore and you can touch them and you don't feel anything on your hands, you can actually wrap them around the cake as well. So you can wrap it around a cake, and then you'll get that pattern on the cake. There is so much you can do, and so many beautiful designs that you can get with chocolate transfer sheets. But today, obviously, I'm just showing you a very quick and easy basic way to use them. It's with the cookie cutters. So if you learn how to do this one, then you can obviously then you'll be more comfortable working with transfer sheets, and then there's so much more you can do with them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you give me a like, a share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope I see you in the next video. Thanks so much. See you later. Bye.